Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So today I will be showing you a new update that came to the Echo RSS feed post generator plugin. So today it will be allowing you guys to make full content importing much more easier. So let me show you this right now. So for example, if I get posts from this RSS feed, until now, if you use the Newsamatic plugin or the Echo RSS feed post generator plugin, you know that to get the full article content, you had to check this checkbox. So this was okay, and the plugin was able to auto detect content, but starting from now you can also use a visual selector to specify to the plugin that, hey, extract the content from this part of the page. So if you click on the full content query type and select here visual selector, the article, an example article will be loaded from the RSS feed that you entered. So I entered this RSS feed, and if I select here visual selector, then an article will be loaded from this feed, and I will be able to tell the plugin that, hey, extract the content from here by highlighting with red the content that I wish to get. So if I highlight this with red, and be sure to highlight it correctly because I misclicked right now, so I highlight it right this, and I tell the plugin that, hey, get the content from there, from that page. And what the plugin will do is it will fill this field with the correct settings to know that, hey, when I run the next time, I use this string to select the highlighted content with red from the source page. So if we save the settings and import only one post for fast importing, run importing, and check our site, we will see that full content is imported using the plugin. So just to see the difference, I can uncheck here this to see if full content is not imported, how the post will look like. So here it is, only a redundant image and some small text will be imported from this specific feed. So I recommend that you check this new feature and get full article content using the visual selector new feature for the Echo RSS plugin. So this was released also for Newsamatic yesterday. I released yesterday a video also for Newsamatic, and today I made this change also for the Echo RSS feed generator. So let me know your feedback about this. Until next time, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.